You know who loves Warhammer? Henry Cavill, but so does my client. For this project, Mike asked me to create art of his characters Ephialtes and Dienekes in an intense duel set in cathedral, with his characters in high detail for that gritty and grim dark look. One of the fun things about this project was that Mike painted his own miniatures, and he did a great job in getting his colour scheme ready for both his characters, which we used as reference. This had to be an epic clash between these warriors, so each pose was sketched out to be as dynamic as possible. And for the backgrounds, I proposed a few different angles, and along with each one was an appropriate pose to go with it. We went with pose D and background A, which really emphasised the sense of motion, the scale of the cathedral, and the sheer bulk and weight of these armoured characters. When drawing up the sketch and line art, I paid close attention to details of the weapons and armour to capture things like the seams and rivets to give that added layer of three-dimensionality. For colours, I stayed true to the paint he used for each character, more muted tones for the cathedral to reinforce how visually distinct these guys are. Next was the most intense part of the process with the rendering, and after adding the shading, lighting and textures, we got this. This is likely my most detailed project to date, and it was a lot of fun. We went really heavy on the textures, showing all the scratches, difference in fabrics, and that metal look to give that sense of realism and just how heavy and robust the armor would actually be. The light coming from the aisle windows give that sense of warmth, and all the motion blur and dust clouds adds to that depth of the space. Hey, if that was interesting, useful, or you might want to commission me one day, then like it, save it, share and follow.